What's up everybody? This is a different video. We kind of got like a little studio here for you, and as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys this new website that I built for the Zoned Out page. We got plenty of stuff on there, shirts, stickers, and I'm going to be even designing it a little more. This is just a first run of the website, so I want to show you guys, and I want you guys to spread the word, because I don't want to ask for people's money all the time, but I want to get our brand, our theme out there, if that's what you call it, this way, that way. I wanted to build a website so anybody can have it, even if someone doesn't have YouTube or doesn't have this kind of social media, that kind of social media, but they want to be involved in it. We have a website now, so you can go in here and you can pick up any clothes, any stickers, and you can share that to anybody, you know, being young, being old, and whatnot. Maybe they're not on YouTube, maybe they're not on Instagram, Facebook, all the other things. So here's a website for everyone. You can buy people clothes. You can do whatever and support us and support what I do here for this Zoned Out thing. But I'm going to show it to you guys on here. That way you can kind of see what's going on and how to find it. You can find it through Google, Internet Explorer, Safari, everything. You just got to look it up this way. It's just the zonedoutstore.com. You can see here, I looked this up in the Google tab, but I'll take you guys back and type it in. That way you can see it. So the Zoned Out Store. Bam. You can look it up on Google. It'll pop up there, the zonedoutstore.com. And then here's the main screen to it. But I'm going to open up another tab here and then type it in on Safari. So the zonedoutstore.com. Bam. Pulls right up for you. I'm actually just going to keep going on through Safari, but when you click on it through Google Chrome, it pulls it up the same way. So no difference here. Now, this video, I just want to go in a little more depth on the website, how to kind of navigate it when it's a simple website. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to try to do anything extra with it. So, all right, y'all, real quick, I want to bring it up on the phone. That way you guys can kind of see what it looks like brought up. I know you'll be using your phone and whatnot, but just for the YouTube video, I want to demonstrate it and show it off real quick. That way when we go into our phones, we can see, people can see what it'll look like before they don't have to back out of this video. So I guess what I'm trying to say, nobody's going to have to back out of the video to see what the phone website looks like and then jump back over to the YouTube video. So I want to show that on the phone. So just open it up, go to Safari here, and then you'll type in the Zoned Out Store. I got it pulled up right here, but what I'll do is I'll back that out, type in the zonedoutstore.com, zonedoutstore.com. Bam. Loads the home screen just like it would on the computer. The same three menus, 1, 2, 3. You got your plate, your OG shirt, and your sticker. At the bottom, you can see where it says subscribe to our email list, and then all of our updates here at the very bottom. So, got that. Same deal. You click your side tab over here, and it's got your catalog, your contact, and that's it for now. That's how simple it's going to be when you click the catalog here. Same deal. It brings up all the items that you want to see here. And I even have a tab here, Let's Get Social. So if you click that, it'll bring you straight to our Instagram. And if you get something on here and want to take a picture with it and show you got it, just click that tab, bring it to our Instagram, DM us, send it, tag us with the Zoned Out tags and whatnot and all that stuff. So that's there for you guys if you get an item and want to share it with us. So yeah, let's hop back into the actual website here, and I'll dive into some of these items and what we're going to be doing and all that. So this is just kind of a sample of everything. You know, we got our sticker here, license plate, and then our OG shirt. And these guys, when you click on the stickers, license plate cover, and the OG shirt, it takes you to that exact order. So, you can buy that sticker right now because we don't have any more. So when you click stickers, it's going to take you straight to this sticker. So, bam. It's going to bring you to the summer edition T sticker. Now we do have this on t-shirts, but it's very, very rare. It's an in-person item. So if you see us at the track or the events or whatnot, you'd have to find us there to get those. And same with our other stickers. I actually got our files back for our regular triangle and slap logo. So I'll be able to design some stickers and put them on the website here soon. So same thing with the license plate cover. That was a custom make. So you can just click here. When you click on it, if I can get it to click, when you click on it, come on, pops it up. I don't know why it popped it up like a side menu. That's odd. Whoa. All right, we'll just go back there, but bam. So there it is. You can buy that thing. Good $12, probably like $15 after shipping and whatnot. Some of the fees I'm not dealing with, so if some of the fees look weird or the pricing looks weird, it's not my fault. I'm not taking care of that, so unfortunately. But I'm trying to get some money flowed and some support in. But here's the OG Zoned Out shirt. Here's the front and back to it. Bam. That one right there is a classic. Now, so let me tell you about these a little bit. So these right here, when I first had them made, were made in a material that was real soft. And so now I had them made in comfort color. So all these t-shirts, any of the t-shirts I do, if they don't state anything about comfort colors, then they're not a comfort color. But most of the shirts that we're going to be using, if I can get the colors all in comfort color, I'm going to use comfort color. Because they're comfy, they're durable, you can wash and dry them and not have to worry about them shrinking or the graphic fading away. Our summer edition tees with this logo right here, actually, it's actually not budged at all this year. And I've washed it many, many times, got it dirty working on cars, and washed it, dried it, everything, it works fine. So on the bottom of our front page here, our home page, we've got a couple pictures of, Lexi's car here with the Zoned Out slap sticker on there. Here's us at Grid at Import Alliance. And I'll have stuff here the more we update this page and pictures with the homies whenever I can get them loaded on my phone. But for right now, I got website updates down here. And then if you look down here on the very bottom, we got our Facebook page that'll pull you right up. Bam. So that's pretty neat. Here's all the Facebook, and I actually have the Facebook and Instagram tied together, so yeah, there we go. Got all the information on it. If we go back to here, you got your Instagram, your TikTok, Snapchat, and that'll give you, that's the Snapchat is where you need to add us at if you want to get updated information quick, because we're always on there. I have my phone on me at all times. And of course I'm logged into the Instagram and stuff like that, but I try to stay off that stuff as best I can. And the Snapchat's just where I text all my buddies, the whole Zoned Out crew and everything. We're all on there. So if you want to get in quick contact with us and watch some cool stuff, add us on the Snapchat. It's Zoned Out behind the scenes. I'll pull it up here for you guys. That way you can see it. There's your boy right there. There's a link. I don't know if it has a little scan code or whatnot, but yeah, that's it right there. The link's in there, so if you want to click it. Now let's see if it'll take us back here. Bam. Now when you click shop, it brings us to your main store here. And I don't have it sorted out yet by, t-shirt, hoodie, stickers, the license plate cover, knick-knack. I just have everything right now in one big jumbo because it's not too big. I'm going to update the store eventually, and add day by day, week by week, where I'm adding stuff, creating more stuff, trying to get some more items in here that you guys may enjoy. So here's that license plate cover we had before. Here's the OG Zoned Out shirt. And it's OG Zonk Stonks Zoned Out, whatever you want to call it. But we call it Zonk Stonks. Obviously it's Zoned Out, but we had people, they'd say it Zink Stinks or Zonk Stonks. So we decided to just keeping it funny, keeping it whatever you see it as, well, that's what you say it as. So we have this hoodie right here, which is pretty neat. It's coming in a gray color or charcoal and jet black there. You can get it small, medium, large, extra large, at 2X. Now let's go back over here to some of our products. There's your sticker you saw earlier on those summer edition tees. Sweater right here. There's just the Zoned Out slap logo. Comes in gold, yellow. I don't know why that says gold. I need to order one of these to see what color it comes in. Hopefully it's not like hopefully it's not an ugly actually gold. Hopefully it's a dark yellow like that. You got your maroon here, navy, red. Ooh, I love the red. The red looks so sweet. And a sport gray is pretty neat too. Saul's actually got one of these on ordered, so we'll get to see how that looks when it comes in too. That'll be sweet. And I'm just kind of running through these so you guys can click on the website and go look at it yourself, but I just kind of want to explain it, give you guys a more in-depth, because I'm going to be updating this thing throughout the months and whatnot, and stuff's going to change. Product may be different, but you'll have kind of the layout and understand how I'm throwing it up on the website. So this is the black edition, and the reason I call it the black edition, obviously, because the Zoned Out logo is all in black. So we talked about, the crew had talked about doing something with the logo different, doing the black logo on the white hoodie, you know, kind of, and then the black hoodie on the or the black logo, white hoodie, white logo, black hoodie, stuff like that. So you can get this one in dark chocolate. Wow, I don't know if I like that or not, but now here's the white edition, I think. Yeah, the white edition. Now we had some like kind of like that crew pullover hoodie that you guys just saw a second ago, the gray one. Me and Dallas had a black hoodie that was like this, except it had the triangle, the OG logo on it. We are the only two with those, so I'm gonna try. I want to get those made to just an all black hoodie with that logo on it. So that's gonna be in the store soon. And I got a new design I want to show you guys here in just a minute. But these also go. This white edition also goes up to 5XL, and it has a couple different colors that are different from the black edition, as you can see here. Yellow and the white. It's like a dark gray. There's your maroon again. I think the maroon with the white looks pretty slick. And that reminds me of like a Champion gear, but red and white. Military green and the sand color, which is also pretty sweet there. I don't know how, I don't know if that's more pink or more of a tan color. Some, you know, the internet kind of throws it off. So yeah, those are pretty sweet. Now I'll show you guys. Here's the last shirt we have on the website right now, and I'm gonna update it weekly. So weekly, there's gonna be more stuff on here, more stickers, more just little knick-knack stuff, maybe some keychains, phone cases. If you guys have any requests, I mean, sign up on the email down at the bottom of this website, or even shoot us a DM or something like that, or comment on this video and request something that you want. I mean, I can try and get it done. You know, request something that you want, I can throw it up there and get it going. But here's this little idea that I came up with the other night. Me and the crew been talking about these ideas for a long time. So we have the Slap logo on the front here, and then the regular triangle, OG triangle logo on the back. And this one's from 3XL all the way to smalls. So I mean, you can get a pretty wide variety, and these are comfort colors as well. So as you can see, OG zoned out period, OG zoned out comfort colors T. Here's the black. Here's my favorite one. If I can get on here, I need to clear some of these photos out, but as you can see, you guys can run through the website and click on just about anything, any of these colors really. Here's the black. Here's the back of the black right here, which looks so sweet. I like the OG style, but with the new logos. So I love that design. I love what we did here with the bar logo, triangle on the back. Bam. So that is the last one on the website for now. So if you need to contact us any way at all, or send us an email, you want to send us something, here you go. Here's your contact list at the back of the website, the last tab here. And get on the email list. Let us know. I'm going to be posting updates. I will send updates to that email list too. And this bottom bracket here soon will have YouTube updates in it. That way people that aren't on YouTube, when they're on the website, they can see it. You know, they can see the new stuff that's going on. They can, you know, kind of attract some attention to them and maybe go click on the YouTube and watch it. So stuff will be there. Here's your search bar if you want to look anything up. Like, let's see if we can look up shirts, see what comes up. Bam. It'll bring up your shirts specifically. Now if we type in hoodies, it'll probably bring up your hoodies specifically. Shoodies. Okay, it worked. But there you go. Shoodies. Man. But yeah, here's all your hoodies. It'll work perfect. Your shopping cart, mine's empty. So bam. And if you have an account with us, you just sign up to the email list and bam, there you go. Log in, check out faster, baby. That's the way to do it. But yeah, guys, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and make sure you hit the like button down here and subscribe and share this video up with all your people. That way we can get some support in here to keep doing more fun activities, more drift events, more dirt bike ride, more adventures, hopefully some snowboard trips here soon. We just got to get all linked up together and make sure the funds are there. So I appreciate you guys. Hopefully you like this website, and hopefully you'll support the channel. We will see y'all in the next one.